In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your microphone on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're setting up for your first virtual meeting or ensuring everything runs smoothly before an important call, testing your microphone in Microsoft Teams is a crucial step. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your device. If you don't have it open yet, just find the icon, give it a click, and let the application start up. Once you're in, make sure you know which meeting you plan to test your microphone for. This way, you can easily access the proper settings. Next, look at the top right corner of the Teams interface and you'll spot your profile picture or initials. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, locate and select Settings. Now that you've opened the settings, you'll see various options on the left-hand side. We're interested in devices, so go ahead and click on that. After you've selected devices, there will be options to configure your audio and video inputs for Microsoft Teams. You'll see a section labeled Audio Devices. Here, find your microphone settings. If you have multiple microphones connected, make sure you check and select the one you intend to use. This process ensures that Teams captures audio from the right source. Now, let's test the microphone itself. In the microphone area, there should be a Make a Test Call option. Click on that, and Teams will initiate a brief phone call. During this call, follow the prompts to record a short voice message. Speak as if you were in an actual meeting, and once you're done, Teams will replay your voice back to you. Listen carefully to the playback to determine the quality and level of your audio. Pay close attention to any background noises or echoes. If the recorded sound is clear, your microphone is likely set up correctly. If it's too soft or has echoes, consider adjusting the microphone settings by tweaking the volume under the Same Devices section of the settings. You can test multiple times until you're satisfied with the sound quality. Finally, once you're happy with the microphone settings and the test playback sounds good, you're all set. If issues persist, consider checking the physical connections or updating your device drivers as additional troubleshooting steps. That wraps it up for testing your microphone on Microsoft Teams. Remember, it's a small step that can make a big difference by ensuring your virtual meetings are seamlessly smooth. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.